Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Mazda CX-7 and we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove or replace the hood on your car. Okay, the hood, it's super simple procedure to remove and replace. What we'll be doing, we need to work on the engine and we don't want the thing to be in the way, so we'll remove it. In the meantime, we'll show you how to remove and replace it. So you need to open it first, okay, and later one person, okay, will need to hold the hood up. Okay, you need 2 people for that job, it will be way easier. So if you get a 12mm socket, okay, you have 2 bolts here. Okay, the one towards the back, remove all the way, the front, just get it loose. Okay, we'll show you a trick. Okay, this one is out. One more. Okay, this one, by just leaving it like that, the hood will not drop and you will be able to slide it out. Okay, just grab it and pull it out. Okay, you can see, just like that guys, not very complicated procedure at all. So you can see that's how you remove the hood. Installation is in reverse order that we took it apart. Hopefully the video will be helpful to you guys. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.